Joy Lab.
Hi, I'm Tonya. This is the third in my series of recipes creating chicken tenders or chicken strips that are so popular in restaurants today, and creating them as freezer meals so you can have less mess and no stress at dinner time. There was a fabulous sale on chicken, so I got a bunch, and I'm showing you today what to do with that bunch of chicken so that you can have meals in your freezer for months to come. This is the third of 3 recipes, and it is the least healthy of them all because it is made out of sour cream and Cheez-its. The least healthy, which means your family is going to like it the most of the 3 recipes. Chicken tenders, chicken strips at restaurants, they're usually breaded and fried. This one, instead of frying it, we will bake, and it'll still have that crispy crust. But we are using sour cream as a binder to bind the breading, which is Cheez-its, and drizzling melted butter on it, just to make it crispy, just because. Let me show you how. I have a bunch of Cheez-its that I've ground up. All I did was run a rolling pin over this, and you notice I'm using the blue freezer bags. Even though this will never go in the freezer, I only buy freezer bags, not the pink regular Ziploc bags. They may be just the tiniest bit more expensive, but I never want to only have regular baggies. I always only want freezer baggies in my house. This is messy. And with freezer meals, it's going to be messy just once. Today, it's going to be messy. Then, when you go to bake these, you'll bake them from frozen, which means you never have to touch this slimy chicken or you don't have to do this at dinner time when your kids are asking about homework, your husband's saying, hey, where's the blah, blah, blah. You do it to all your chicken now. Lay it on a Teflon sheet, on a flat cookie sheet to freeze. You don't have to tell your kids that this is dipped in sour cream. You can just say they're Cheez-its. Cheez-it chicken, which is what it's called. It's not called sour cream Cheez-it chicken. Some of your kids, like mine, would not have eaten if I had called it sour cream Cheez-it chicken. Blech. Now, where do you find this recipe? Click the link below. And while you're down there clicking, click subscribe, please. Click like. Help a girl out. YouTube will put my videos in front of more people who are searching for the solution to mealtime stress. What's for dinner? Well, when you like and when you subscribe, more people will get to learn about freezer meals and how they can make your life so much easier. Blah. There we are. Now I will put this in the freezer, and once these chicken strips are frozen, I'll simply take them and put them in, this time, a labeled Ziploc baggie. I will label it Cheez-it chicken, And then when it's dinner time, I'm going to cook this from frozen, so I never have to experience this again, especially at 4:30 on a weeknight, 6:30 on a weeknight. I don't want to do this then. This is Tonya. Thanks for watching. Make sure you go back and look at the other two in our series of 3 chicken tender, chicken strip recipe videos. Bye-bye.
Joy Lab. Learning done right.
Learn more with Joy Lab. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Visit us at www.joylab.biz. Thank you.